Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today we're going to do a little bit of a Christmas unboxing. Actually, this was just an excuse for me to make a Christmas video and to actually wish you guys a Merry Christmas. And if I don't see you guys before the end of the year, also wish you guys a Happy New Year. And let's just unbox what I got for myself for Christmas. Actually, no one gave me any Christmas present, but yeah, let's start with this little box here, which came from One Day Only, or I bought from One Day Only. And if I'm not mistaken, since I actually bought this a while back, I think this is a little gaming console. The story behind this is actually when I bought this thing, I thought I was buying one of those Nintendo old school consoles, but it wasn't that. It was just an old school console, but not from Nintendo. So this is the Super Classic Game Entertainment System, built in 40 classic games made in China, as it says there. So this guy was bought from One Day Only, as I already mentioned, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost around $250, because obviously One Day Only, I made a video of One Day Only. You guys can go and check out that video on One Day Only, and the things that are there are all on sale. So this guy was bought on sale. Now let's just go quickly to show you guys what comes inside the box. As you can see, you have two old school looking remote. Yeah, nah, I actually thought I was buying something and I bought something else, but anyways, it's already here. So you have two old school remote right there. You have power cable. You have, does my TV really still take these things? I think it still does. Oh, I'm gonna have to get an adapter for these cables. And then you also have the console itself, which is really tiny. Well, I have big hands, but as you can see, it's tiny. Let me just get the iPhone here so you guys can actually have an idea how tiny this thing is. Here we go. It's really not that big, but as for a Christmas present, is actually at something. I'm gonna test it out, and I might actually make a vlog. If you guys want to see a vlog on this thing, so I'm not gonna test this thing out on this video or this thing on this video, but if you guys want to see a vlog where I try all these things, make sure you let me know in a comment. We actually haven't done a vlog in a while, so let me put this guy aside. Next is this baby here. This is the Adidas Yeezy. This is Kanye West's sneaker, Yeezy 350. Now, most of you already know I have a 500, Yeezy 500 there, which I really like. And actually, most of you did not like the sneaker. You guys can go watch that video. I'm gonna try and link it on the description. But this one is the 350. This is the one that I've been trying to get. Actually, this one I think I managed to get because there were a lot of pairs released. Normally they do not release a lot of pairs, but I managed to get this guy. So the first time I tried this thing, I think it was 2 years back, I tried to buy it when they were releasing it on the Adidas website, but I couldn't. I wasn't fast enough. But this time I managed to get. So these are the sesame, and they kind of gray color. And let me just show it to you guys. So I haven't worn them yet. I'm probably gonna wear during the vacation in Cape Town. But again, I'm gonna try and make a vlog to show it to you guys. But it's really just a sneaker. Like, as much as there's a hype behind this, at the end of the day, it's just a sneaker that you need to wear anyways. But this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, you have the boost under. If you guys are sneakerheads, you would know what the boost is. And yeah, this is a size 11. That's what I wear on these. And this is my second Christmas gift. This is the other pair, actually. Here's the other pair. So 2 pairs Christmas gift. You have the Yeezy 350 and my not so Nintendo old school console. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to see more on these things, which I actually doubt you would, let me know in the comments, and let me know also what you guys got for or as Christmas or as festive season gift. If you guys actually went and bought something, or if you were gifted something. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a like, rating. This box is going to fall. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video. Peace.